Hello, AME. My name is Janel L. Forde, and I'm the director of the Illinois Department of Central Management Services, the home of the Illinois Rapid Results Program. Central Management Services is the operational engine enabling the state of Illinois' more than 80 agency boards and commissions to deliver efficient, reliable services to all Illinois residents. I am so looking forward to meeting all of you at the AME Everywhere Conference in October, where I will be delivering a keynote address at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, October 20th. Under Illinois Governor JB Pritzker's leadership, we've made great strides in using operational excellence to drive improvements in diversity, equity, and inclusion, and we are so excited to share our story with you. Together, we will explore the leadership actions necessary to cultivate a truly inclusive culture, one that allows organizations to sustain excellence and prosper. I hope to see you all on October 20th.